water. The Vaal, and I was talking about this the other day, the Koranas and the Khoi called it Ikwa, which is a Khoi name for Dal. Now, the Dutch, when they had that interpretation, they called it the Vaal River, because Vaal in Dutch is Dal. But the Sotho-speaking and the Nguni-speaking people, when they had Ikwa, then they changed it to Ilikwa, Lekwa, and which was a source of life. And also the other thing is that in that area, because again, take your mind back to the 1820s, the place was very wild. And so there was a lot of wild animals that were roaming there. But they found that most of the animals were on the other side of the Vaal, basically towards Machalis and so on. And so the animals used to come and drink, and then they would disappear. So when the white people came, especially the voortrekkers, and they saw all those animals there, some of them came by Okons and Kosi.